North Coast Seal is a full distribution and fulfillment center. We sell rubber and plastic products, rubber being the core of our business.
The things we stock in our warehouse is O-rings, backup rings, U-cups, V-packing, lube. For the gas industries, hydraulics, water, anything that has to do with sealing, we carry that product.
Quality is very big with us. Being a distributor, we don't make anything, so we need to verify the quality coming in from all of the vendors that we are working with. So we measure every part coming in, we inspect them. We have a video inspection machine that can 100% video inspect certain size O-rings, gaskets, and seals.
We can test them for material, and we can ensure that you're getting exactly what you want, whether it's the right compound or material or whatever it is.
The key to making our company grow is, first of all, by starting out with a strong foundation. Recently, we've invested in a brand new ERP system, ABIS ERP.
When we implemented ABIS, everything was at your fingertips. You got real-time information, real-time reports. It enabled me to be able to run the business so much more efficiently.
Some of the reasons that we chose ABIS ERP were we liked the platform. We liked the fact that there were graphs and charts, and it looked a lot more modern. We loved that there was a CRM built into the ERP system, and from going from an antiquated system to where we were at, we loved that everything was live and readily available for us. We also liked the business app add-ons.
ABIS was able to accommodate our customizations, picking and pulling based on maybe the rubber cure date or the customer due date. We have shipping priorities, so the customizations are pretty much endless. Whatever you want to do, ABIS is able to create it for you.
They answered every single question and could do everything we had on our due diligence list for them. And to have a system that supports what we want to do is just real encouraging.